Hey there, today we wanted to come on and tell you about this Dovety spin scrubber. We purchased one of these because I'm getting older and my back when I'm trying to clean the tub bothers me a lot. And so I saw this advertised and thought I would give it a try and see if it helped me, and I really have enjoyed it. So I just wanted to tell you about it, answer some questions that people might have about it, and hopefully help you with your buying decisions. So let's get started. So the first question people are curious about is what comes in the box. So I'm going to show you those things. The first thing is a handle, which is extendable from 14 inches to 53.5 inches, and this will give you a comfortable reach. If it's a farther place from you and you don't want to have to bend, you can put this extender pole on there, and that will just help you to reach those further away places easier. Up next, you will receive 8 different brush heads. So these different brush heads can be used for a variety of surfaces and for different cleaning needs that you might have. You're also going to receive a USB-C charging cable. You're also going to receive a holder clip so that you can hang it on your wall if you want to. Hey there, we just wanted to pop in for 1 second and mention that if you are enjoying this review and you are interested in purchasing it or something similar to it, we'd love for you to use our affiliate link located in the description box. Might be down here, might be over here or wherever YouTube has it today. But we'd love for you to use that link. It won't cost you anything extra, but it definitely helps our YouTube channel and our business. So thanks so much. Back to the review. So people are curious how long the battery lasts. So in my experience, I have only used it for cleaning the bathroom, so I've had no problem with the battery running dead. What I usually do is I will clean the bathroom, which can sometimes take me up to an hour, and then when I'm done, I go ahead and put it on the charger so that it's automatically ready for the next time, ready to go. Another thing that I really love about this is on the handle, you can see here that the indicator will show you how much it's charged. So that way you know when it's fully charged. And then I usually just store it on the wall. And then when I'm ready to clean the bathroom, it's ready to go. So according to the manufacturer, it can go up to about 90 minutes on a full charge, which is typically about the time that if you had to clean a bathroom and a kitchen, or maybe 2 areas of your house. Like I said, I've only used it in my bathroom, so I think I've used it for max like an hour, but according to the manufacturer, it's about up to 90 minutes. And then for a full charge, I haven't had to do that because, like I said, I usually just put it right on the charger, but it says it takes about 2 to 3 hours. I guess if that's completely dead and then having to fully charge it, that's what the manufacturer said. But I've found it to be faster because I charge it every time. And so then once I've used it, I've only used probably about 25% or so, or half, and then just put it on the charger. And I usually don't really pay attention to it until I just check it and see if it's done. And then it's ready to go for the next time. So the 8 different heads are designed for different uses. So the flat large brush is perfect for shower walls, floors, and large flat surfaces. The small round brush is ideal for sinks and curved areas like tubs and detail work, those smaller areas. And then the pointed curve brush I actually use a ton. It's great for those tight spaces and grout lines and hard to reach corners. I really use that one a lot in my bathtub. And then there's also the specialized attachments. There's the scouring pad, which is gentle on glass doors and delicate surfaces. There's the sponge brush, which is great for light cleaning and polishing. There's the fiber sponge, which is versatile cleaning for multiple surface types. Then you've got the big cloth attachment for wiping and finishing surfaces. And then the wool cloth is great for polishing and finishing cleaning touches. Some people are curious if you can purchase replacement heads if they wear out, you've used it for a long time. And the ones that would need replacing, there is a 5-pack set that Dovety offers. So I think that's fantastic because it means you can use this for so long, because you can just purchase those heads that need replacing. And those are typically like your sponges, and those, like I said, the brush is not in that pack. But you can look that up. That's a separate listing for those replacement heads if, like I said, you've used it for a while and you need to replace those. Some people are curious how you remove or put on the brush heads. It's pretty simple when you look at it. There's like 2 little notches in the plastic, and you just line those up, and then it will snap on there. And then when you remove it, you just have to apply a little bit of pressure and pull, and it will then come off. And then some of the heads are where you have to put the Velcro head onto the handle, and then those pads stick to the Velcro. Some people are curious how it works, so it's pretty straightforward. So you're going to just press once for high speed, which is going to be 500 RPM, which is going to be for those areas that you need a little bit tougher scrub. And then you're going to press twice for low speed, which is going to be 300 RPM. For those more delicate areas. So overall, I've really been impressed with this brush. I really love it. It's been really helpful for me for cleaning my bathroom. I notice, you know, I'm not having to sit there and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub, that the spinner action does the work for me.
Here's an example of me using it to get off some soap scum. So here you can see I have it on the highest setting, and you can see the battery has run down just a tad. One of those lights is off, but I will clean the area and scrub it, and then I'll rinse it with water so you can see the difference between the area that has been cleaned and the area that has not been cleaned.
We've really enjoyed this, so that's why we wanted to tell you about it. Hopefully we answered some of the questions that you had, and happy shopping.